How to see who blocked you on Facebook. So all you have to do is to proceed here to your Facebook application. Now, there are actually 6 ways you can confirm that someone blocked you on Facebook. First is they're not in your friends list. So to find them, all you have to do is to go here to your profile section and then scroll just a little bit up until you see the friends section here. And then if you got a lot of friends, then you can click on see all friends and then basically just find them there, and you won't be able to find that specific person or that specific account, and you can even search for that account here. Now, second is you can tag that person in posts. So for example, you go back here to your home page. So let's say you want to tag that person here. So tap on share, and if you click on at here and then type their name won't actually come out there. So you won't be able to tag them anymore. So the third way to confirm that someone blocked you is that you can't find the person in search. So here on your home page, on the upper right, you will see the search icon here. Click on that and then search for that person here. And no matter where you go, for example, you set it to people. So there is no account such as this account that you've been searching for. So that is also one of the confirmatory that that person blocked you on Facebook. Now, the fourth way to confirm is that you can't see that person's profile page. So with that being said, since we can't search them in our search bar here, that would also mean that we cannot go to that person's profile page. Now, the fifth way to confirm that that person really blocked you is that you can't send messages to the person in Facebook Messenger. So let's just proceed here to our Messenger. And this is the account that I intended to block me. So for example, this account. And as you can see, if you click on your past conversation or your chat there, you will see this person is unavailable on Messenger. Now, the last step is for you to really confirm everything, or you can ask your friend if they can see the person that you think blocked you. So you can ask your friend if they can search for that specific person in their account using their account, and if they can look for that person and you can't look for that person, then that person really blocked you on Facebook. And basically that is how to see who blocked you on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.